Hi, welcome to my page. Coach Tony here, and I'm so excited you're here. I've got an incredible opportunity I want to share with you in just a moment, but before I do, I want to just check in with you to see if this resonates with you. If you have been studying or practicing manifesting and the law of attraction and trying to manifest your dreams and desires, but they've been eluding you, then you are definitely in the right spot. Or maybe you've been getting like some desires in, but it's been really inconsistent. So, like maybe you've been making some money, but it ebbs and flows. Maybe you've been meeting some cool people, but they just haven't been your dream relationship that you're desiring. Or maybe you just haven't gotten that job opportunity or the clients that you've desired and dreamed of. And it's just very inconsistent. If that's the case, you're also in the right spot. And quite honestly, the universe has brought you here divinely, and I'm so excited that it has because I have an extraordinary opportunity for you. I have created a brand new, it's called the Manifestation Mastery Program. I'm very excited about this. It's going to help serve so many people, not only my own clients that I work with one-on-one, but I want to help the world understand what they're capable of, that they are limitless beings that can have, do, or be anything, and they actually create their reality. And I want to teach this in a very simplified manner, and that's exactly why I put together this new Manifestation Mastery Program. Because it simplifies everything I've learned over the past 7-8 years about the law of attraction, manifestation, the energetic world, and everything in between. I have simplified this down and distilled it down into a 33-day program that will blow your mind. And what's built into this program are weekly exercises that you can do that will help you actually build more clarity, certainty, and consistency in your manifestation practices. So if that is of interest to you, you're going to want to click the link below to get more information. There's a couple of different options, and I wanted to make it very accessible for everybody. And for a limited time only, it's heavily discounted right now because I'm launching this for the first time, actually. If you've seen my YouTube videos or if you've seen me on social media, hopefully you realize that I want to help serve you and provide as much value as possible so that you can level up your life like never before. Well, this program is to the next level. It is going to change your life forever. And if you apply what you learn in it, I promise you, you're going to have an exact roadmap and a process and strategy to follow every single day and week to help you manifest your dreams and desires like never before. I don't want you to be stuck like I was, trying to manifest certain results for sometimes years, with it eluding you actually. That's what happened to me. I don't want that for you. I want you to know exactly what you need to do and to actually be able to measure it against yourself to know how well you're doing actually. And I want to help fill in all the gaps that were gaps for me when I was on this journey of learning all about this and do it in as quickly as possible time frame for you, which I've created in a 33-day program. And if you choose a self-paced program, it's 33 days. And the other option is actually my membership program, where you will get access to me, Coach Tony, directly every single month to help you on your journey. Regardless of which option you choose, both program options are going to change your life forever. I promise you, mark my words. So if this is of interest to you, please click the link below and just get more details on the next page. And I'm looking very forward to seeing you in the program and helping you on your manifestation journey. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll hopefully see you inside the program.